Hello, everybody, and welcome back to a Cash Group online production. My name is Damien, and this is the first episode of my how to make a WordPress website. Okay, so now listen. Obviously, you're going to need hosting and a domain and all of that, but that is besides the point. Assuming this video is assuming you already have a domain and hosting, you have already installed WordPress, okay? Now, you're not gonna see this little thing right here because I'm using a theme here. Let me show you real quick. That I uploaded myself. www.cashgrouponline.com. Alright, this is the website, right? Nothing much. I uploaded. All I really did was, you know, you got a menu. I'm gonna fix this. This is a widget right here. I'm gonna delete this one and put a new one in. This is a plugin actually, and I got this, and I'm gonna make a new, better logo for it. But really, this is just the beginning of the site. There is nothing nice about this right now. All right, so the first thing I'm going to teach you how to do is to make a new post. Now, as you can see, every time a WordPress website is created, there's a new post added called Hello World. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to posts, and we're going to go ahead and click Hello World, and we're going to click, where is it? Action, bulk action, move to trash, or you could just, go trash, right here, trash. You do it either way. Alright, so now we're going to click add new post. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to go over here to YouTube, www.youtube.com, and I am going to go to, load real quick. Alright, I'm going to go to my channel. Alright, so now first thing is first, like I said, I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to go to episode 1. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to pause this real fast, and then I'm going to go down here to share, and I'm going to copy this link. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and first I'm going to go back here, and then I'm going to go over
Alright,
here.
hello everybody. So, welcome to my new channel. My name is Damien.
Sorry about that. Alright, so first things first is I'm going to add a new post. Alright, so now I'm gonna make this simple. After I get done making this video, I'm going to expand it a lot more, but I'm just gonna make this very simple. To make money online, episode 1. What was it? It was level rewards. All right. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the video. I'm not gonna type anything right now for the simple fact that this is just for obviously the video this is obviously for video purposes anyways, but here's what I want to show you some stuff. Right now you got an add media button, so you can add a picture if you want to. You got a paragraph, or you got this right here, which is all your pretty much formats for your text. You got, your bold, your italic, you got bulleted list, numbered list, you got all of these different things. You can center text, you could insert link, edit link, insert read more tag, toolbar toggle, and I'm going to insert a read more tag on mine too, so that way on the original page it doesn't have, it doesn't have the whole thing. It's just going to say read more after the first few lines. Alright, so now over here you have all of your properties for the post itself on the website. Okay, Oh wait, first I want to show you one more thing. Text. Um, this shows you the HTML basically of the the post, and this just is the visual. So I'm gonna have to go back and redo that real quick just because I switched over. And there we go. But like I said, over here you have a thing where you can preview it. I'm gonna go ahead and click preview, and there you have it. That's a preview of what it would look like. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and go over here. You also have save as draft, status is draft, visibility, public, publish immediately. Now you can make it private, you can make it so only members can see it if you have a membership available on your website, which I will be showing how to do that also. Um, that's actually what, to skip topics for a minute, sorry about my ADHD guys, but that's actually what this was supposed to be for right here. Um, but this plugin that I used for this doesn't really work, and I don't really like how this comes out all the way. I'd like one that would just pop up right here in the corner and be very small and say login or sign up. That's what I would like. Alright, so, and then you have publish immediately, and down here you have categories. I'm gonna add new category, and I'm gonna say make money online, and parent category, add category. So that is going to be in the make money online category, and you can add tags and money, or money, cash, blah blah blah, etc. You can add them. All right, I'll add more later, but basically, for real quick, I'm gonna explain what these tags do. What these tags do is they make it so if somebody searches, let's say they search cash in Google, your post might pop up. So, um, and you could set a featured image, which I will probably, when I design some more photos, when I have the time, some better ones for my channel and my website and all that, I will be doing that. I will also be doing a tutorial on how to make um, logos and stuff like that. And like I have this little icon up here, I will teach you how to make a little icon just like that for free online. Very simple, very easy. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and click publish right here, and I will edit this after this video to make it, nice. So because it's not very nice right now. So it was published. Alright, so that right there, my friends, is how you make a post on your new WordPress website. Very easy, very simple. You have a lot of stuff you could do with it here, and then you can go over. I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna refresh this page real quick, and you can, as you can see, I have it right here, and boom, there she is. And you can see the tags are down here. You have a comment section where people can post comments. You have recent comments over here, stuff like that. But I'm going to fully edit this website, fully make this a good website. And as you can see over here on the videos page, I'm going to obviously upload that video. I will make another tutorial on how to do that very soon, so you guys will know how to add the video. But thank you for watching.